In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Salesflare. If you're tired of retyping the same messages, templates will save you time while keeping your emails consistent and personal. You can use them directly in Salesflare, or when you're emailing from Gmail with the Chrome extension or Outlook with the add-in. You can even share templates with your team so everyone sends the best version of your message. Let's start at the Compose window. Open Salesflare and begin a new email to a contact. If you prefer working in Gmail or Outlook with the Salesflare plugin or add-in, start a new email there. The template workflow is the same, so everything you set up will be available across those tools. Next, find the Templates control in the email toolbar, typically at the bottom of the Compose window. It's usually shown as a ribbon icon. Click it to open your template options. Choose the option to create a new template. Give your template a clear name you'll recognize later. Then add the subject line and the body text you want to reuse. Think of this as your polished starting point. Keep it focused and easy to scan, and leave room for quick personal notes you might add before sending. For extra power, add merge fields. These placeholders pull in each contact's real data automatically when the email goes out. You can insert fields like first name or company from the toolbar or from the options at the bottom of the Compose window. For example, you might start your message with a greeting that shows the contact's first name and set a fallback so it reads naturally if that data isn't available. This keeps your tone friendly without risking an awkward blank. When you're happy with the subject, body, and any merge fields, click Save. Your template is now ready to use in future emails. Using it is quick. While composing an email, open the Templates menu again to insert your saved message. Or type the #, the Howard character, to bring up a quick list of your templates and pick one instantly. This shortcut is especially handy when you're working fast in your inbox. If you want your entire team aligned, you can share templates so everyone uses the same approved wording. It's a great way to keep branding and messaging consistent across your outreach. Before you send, scan the subject line and preview the merge fields to make sure everything looks right. A short test email to yourself can confirm formatting and links. And that's it. Your email templates are set up, easy to access, and ready to help you send better emails faster in Salesflare.